Never, you made this.
First and foremost, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate y'all stopping through. Hit that like button, bang that subscribe button. I don't want you to miss out on no videos. Even though I ain't been putting them out as much as I'm supposed to, we still here for another video, and I appreciate everybody for watching. All right, we're finna get into a quick little brush session. Nothing too fancy, snazzy. I'm gonna show you the product that I'm using. I'm gonna get a brush session in. You're gonna see my angles. We're gonna get all into it. We're gonna do an unrag. I washed last night, so this is gonna be a fresh unrag for you. Do you feel me? It's a little bit messy. I did wash last night. I went to work, so putting my hard hat on and off all day, so it got a little bit messy, but we still looking halfway decent, okay? Halfway decent. I cut down to like a 2.5 week and a half ago, so I am not woofing. I got a low cut, as you can see. You can see a little scalp in certain areas where I probably cut too low. I need to probably keep it in between a 2.5 to a 3, so like a 2 3/4. You got to manipulate the blade, your guard, and your lever all at one time. So I didn't do it this time. So this wasn't the best haircut, but it is what it is. We still wavy. We still finna get this session in. Let's go. I think I'm gonna use a medium brush, soft medium, and then I'm gonna get some Tracy Loren moisture cream. I left my brush, I left my product in the basement. All right, give me a second. Let me try to get it from here without having to go down the stairs. Give me a second. All right, we back. Hey, I learned that little trick from another YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? I heard you could teleport from room to room when you in the YouTube world. But either way, man, we got the TP99 from Brush King, the Torino Pro 99. Yes, my bristles are a little dirty. I have been working this brush, but this is my favorite brush to this day to get a session in at any length. I don't know if this brush is available. I got it when it first came out. My favorite, all-time favorite curved brush is this one, okay? Hey, for the product that we're using, after you wash, I always tell you, you gotta moisturize. Even if you're using a moisturizing shampoo, you wanna try to lock it in and then double back the next day or later that night and put some type of moisturizer in so you don't dry your scalp out, okay? Today's video is brought to you by Tracy Loren Explosive Growth Moisturizing Cream. Basically the only real moisturizer that I use. I try to stay away from water-based moisturizers, okay, because it makes my hair over curl because I got high porosity, okay. This is an oil-based moisturizer, okay. This is a collab between Diva Hair Products and Tracy Loren, all right. The link to get any of these products that I show y'all in these videos is always down in the description. I don't know if this is in stock, but if it is, discount code LSP at checkout so you can save a couple dollars, okay? Don't say I never did nothing for y'all, man. But either way, man, let's get into this session. This is the amount that I'm gonna put in, all right? Dime size amount. I don't need a bunch of product in my hair, especially I don't have that much hair, all right? Rub it in, spread it around your pattern evenly, all right? Y'all always be asking me how much product am I supposed to be using and how do I apply it. This is not hard. You feel me? Rub it in your head, rub it in your hands, put it in. That's it. Alright? Real simple, right? It's not hard applying product. Then you get your brush that you want to use. to distributor. If you got long hair, maybe you want to comb it in. Either way, you got to brush it in, get you a nice little session in. I got 540 waves. This is my left side. I'm brushing straight forward, okay? My left side, straight forward, because my crown is going clockwise. So clockwise is gonna make my left side drag straight forward like so. All right. Crown work. Crown work. You're gonna go around your crown after you find it and brush clockwise. If it grows clockwise, most people do grow clockwise. Some people goes counterclockwise. All right. Mine is clockwise. So I'm gonna go around it. You start forming waves. After a few days of starting the pattern, and you're gonna drop this back side down. This is my right side, so the back of the right comes right off that crown, and you start slanting. Start slanting. As you're slanting, then you're bringing it forward to that left side. All in one motion. Then you want to start bringing it to your top. If you want your top to be all the way straight or slanted, that's going to depend on how you come off your crown. I want this side a little bit straight, then I want to start slanting it that way. That's how you do your top. Brush towards your ear, towards your temple, just like this. I've been showing y'all how to brush the angles for years now. So let me explain it. All right, right side. You brushing down towards your temple area, from your crown down on an angle. Then you start bringing it this on an angle to your ear, from your crown to your ear. Then as you get to that back slash right side, from here to here, you're gonna start dropping it down and angling it out to form that back slant in the back. That's how you form the back slant. All right, it's not hard. It's gonna take some time if you're starting from the beginning, but as we know, it can be done. It can be done. And then you just want to work around your crown. If you're not sure about it, you can get a toothbrush and practice. If you want to leave your crown open, if you want to leave it closed, you know, it doesn't matter. I can close it like this and do it like that. It doesn't really matter to me. Open, closed. The lower the cut to me, the more it's going to be open. As you start woofing, it's a little bit easier just to keep your crown closed. For me, anyway. For me. And then you know, start brushing little sections to clean up the hair. If you seeing any, you know, bare skin or whatever from the hair moving in the wrong directions. That's it, man. Make sure you get the back of the neck. You know, you want waves all the way down here. So you gotta brush down here. You want waves behind the ear, right? So you gotta hit that ear. Look at the ear. I'm brushing my ear. You gotta brush the ear, okay? Especially on this side. When you coming down on an angle, brush the ear. Hard brush, soft brush, medium, it don't matter. Brush the ear. Look at it. Eventually, you ain't gonna feel it no more. Temple. For those who've been around, y'all see that fork? It's moving and grooving. If this fork is not gone by the summertime, I'm gonna spot scalp. I'm gonna cut all this bald. I'm gonna cut this fork out and see if I can grow the hair back without the fork being there. Okay, I've seen some people do it, and it worked for some, it didn't work for others. Some people had to do it more than one time. But if this fork ain't jump at least almost to the hairline, yeah, I'm cutting this boy out this summer. I'm gonna speak that into existence, okay? So that may be a video coming up in the next few months, is a spot scalp. All right. But yeah, man, that's it, man. This is not hard. The angles of 540, applying product is not that hard. I'm gonna go to the barber shop this summer. I haven't been to the barber shop in about 5 or 6 years. I'm gonna go. I don't know if I'm letting them cut my hair or just get a line up or something, but I'm gonna go. That's gonna be another video. I might go out to Cali and mess with Jeezy and get a haircut. Who knows? Maybe Gifted Barber down in Florida or something like that. You know what I'm saying? But hey, you new to the channel, man. Like, share, subscribe, man. This is the video. I appreciate y'all watching how to brush 540s and apply some product. That's it. I'm gone.